This week, SPC, in collaboration with the Brisbane Accord Group, is organizing a regional workshop on legal identity and identity security. And the workshop is bringing together civil registration officials from 18 Pacific Island countries and territories, and directors of health and health information officials to discuss about this agenda. The reason why we find it very important at this particular time is because we have commitments under the Sustainable Development Agenda to achieve universal legal identity, including birth registration. And we also have a specific indicator, 17.19.2, which commits us to achieving 100% birth registration and 80% death registration. Now, while half of our countries have met these targets, but we also have the 50%, the other half that are behind in terms of achieving completeness in their registration systems. One of the strategic things that we thought would help us accelerating our progress is engaging the health sector, who have a very close engagement with births and deaths that happen in the lifetime of people. So we want to have a discussion with them and see how we can leverage on the events that they record within their systems to improve the registration systems. So in my introductory remarks, I talked about the Brisbane Accord Group and SPC's engagement in that. We are the Secretariat of the Brisbane Accord Group, and Lauren, who is here with me, is a member of the Brisbane Accord Group, and I'll allow her to give a few remarks.
So the workshop is certainly supported by the Australian Government, and that's under two streams. One is the involvement of our partnership in the Brisbane Accord Group, just to support that civil registration and vital statistics agenda in the region, and to even share some learnings from Australia. And the second is under the Step Up program, which the Australian Government has with countries around identity security. And a key part of identity security is ensuring that legal identity for migration to other countries, for having those human rights within country and access to services are formed. And part of this workshop is bringing together countries so we can talk about this, and bringing together sectors. So registries, health officials, identity experts, because what we've realised that it's bigger than just us, and the way we're going to make change and achieve those sustainable development goals is by working together.
Yeah. So there's a bit of conversation about our legislation and how it supports us towards performing, achieving complete systems. There's a discussion about IT systems. There's a discussion about generally building robust systems that can support us in the work that we do.